It's Maria. Happy New Year, everybody. It's finally 2021 and this year will hopefully be better than last year. This is my first video of the year and I am super excited, and I also hope you guys are excited to start a brand new year. Anyways, today for my first video of the year, I wanted to show you guys how I made these super cute Among Us earrings. And yes, I made one in every color. So I hope you enjoyed and stay tuned for the end of the video because I have a little bit of good news. Alright, let's make some Among Us earrings, shall we? voila! Now you have some really cute Among Us earrings. If you were wondering, I got the polymer clay and the Mod Podge from Michaels. They all turned out super adorable and I am so impressed with the final product. Like, look at this. The gloss really added a nice touch. Nice shine to it. And now that you've watched the whole video, I am going to announce an announcement. The announcement that I am announcing right now is that I have opened back up my Etsy store. So go ahead and check that out. And yes, these earrings will be on there and I will be adding new product hopefully every month. At least I'm going to try to and see how it goes. So if you guys want some nice earrings and stuff that I've made, check out my Etsy store because I'm opening it back up and I'm so excited. Also, something exciting going on this month is that I have been on YouTube for 6 years. And I think that is so cool and I wanted to thank you guys so much for sticking around and for watching my videos and for commenting, and I love you guys so much. I'm always so thankful and I really enjoy making videos. It's really entertaining and I get to share with you guys what I love doing, which is crafts and all of the random little things I do. Of course, this wouldn't be possible if you guys didn't watch my videos. So thank you so much for always supporting me and giving me all the love you guys give me. I really always appreciate it and I love reading your comments and hearing from you guys. And I can't believe it's been 6 years already, almost 6 years. But this is really exciting and I can't wait to see what the rest of the year and what the future has for us. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed the Among Us earrings, and if you want to get some of your own, check out my Etsy store because they will all be there. I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for everything. Love you guys. Bye!